Welcome to Everything Valves, the channel dedicated to bringing you everything valves. Thank you for those supporting this channel. If you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe for more valve videos. Here we have a 1/2 inch WCB class 1500 seal welded floating ball valve that originally was 2 pieces with a weld all around. The valve has an adjustable gland, lever, locking device here. You have your stem nut on top. This valve being seal welded makes it unable to repair in line. I'm going to show you the inside components of this valve. This is the original valve. You have to machine the weld. So you have to machine it. Once it's machined, you get this here. Once you have the weld machined, you can start the disassembling of the valve. First, we're going to want to remove the stem nut. And there you can remove the lever. Once you have that removed, this piece is threaded into the body. So we want to unthread the adapter. This is the adapter, this is the body. You're going to want to unthread the adapter after you machine the weld. So here you have the adapter. The adapter actually has an O-ring right here. These are the threads. This right here is actually the seat. And you can actually remove the seat by pulling. And here you have the actual seat. And this right here is your seat pocket. So here you have the body, and inside you have the ball. You got the stem here on top. To remove the ball, you need to close the valve. And now you can remove the ball. Carefully pull it out, and here you have your ball. There's your stem slot. And then inside here you have the other seat ring in the body. To remove the stem, we need to first remove the bushing here. Inside you can see a thrust bearing there. This is your stem. To remove the stem here, you're going to want to push it into the body. This is an anti-blowout proof stem, so you need to push in this direction down into the body. Here you have your thrust. Here you have your stem. Here you have a graphite packing ring. You can see here. This is the pack. You would fill this here with these graphite rings. And if the valve starts to leak, you'll take this bushing here, tighten it down, compressing these packing rings. Here's the valve complete. You would tighten down this packing gland and it would compress all of these rings that are inside here and stopping any leak past the seats up and out. Here you have all of the components that make up a fully welded floating ball valve. Here you have your lever, your stem nut and washer. Your stem is right here with the thrust bushing here. This is going to be your packing gland here. This is going to be your stem packing. Here you have the ball, the seat from the adapter here. On your adapter, you're going to have your O-ring and your seat pocket here. Your seat that goes into the pocket here. And here you have your body. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching Everything Valves. We will see you in the next video.